Assalamualaikum to my lecturers Ehsan. My name is Harraz and my matrix number is 07DTK21F1042. Today I'm going to present my mini project DEC 20012, Fundamental Programming. Our project involves building a program that can allow a customer to calculate their energy usage and estimate their monthly bills. As you can see, this is our code. At the top of our code to include a set of comments uh, that will be used in this program. We will mainly use the hashtag include for our library commands. Let's move on to the main code. The first thing that I did is rectify our variables. I use the float data type uh, float data type because it can have a decimal places meaning we will have even more accurate results. The variables that I rectify is CR, current reading, PR, previous reading, energy bills, minimum charge equal to 5 ringgit lah. The minimum charge is equal to 5 ringgit because the program state it needs to at least have a minimum charge of 5 ringgit. Next, I rectify the variables for each blocks. As you can see, I made several variables from the first block to sixth block. Uh, Now, I use a looping statement which can be seen written on line 10. This allows customer to keep using the program till they wish to end it. Moving on, the line from 12 till 15 is our main menu. This is how our customer can choose whether they can choose to calculate their bill estimate or display their electricity usage. This is also where they can exit the program. From line 17 to 20, this is our code for the customers input that will be put into the program to choose the program. We we will use the switch number to allow the customer to choose a process. The customer will have three choices. The first one is from line 26 to line 33 is the code displaying electricity for the month. The customer will have to input one into the program. Next, the customer will need to put their previous reading and current reading into the program, and then the program will calculate the electricity usage by taking the equation of current reading minus previous reading. Then the result of this calculation will then be put into the variable energy, and then the program will print out the energy value into the screen. Okay, now uh, let's move on to the case number 2, which is bill estimation. Same as the first case, the program will ask the customer to input their previous and current reading into the program, and then the program will calculate the energy usage by using the previous formula. Every customer will be charged at least 5 ringgit because of the program's code. Uh, to give an example, let's put our current reading is 200, our previous reading is 100. The total energy usage will be 100. The program will then check out the tariff, which is 1 till equal to 100 units of energy usage. The program will be then times the energy usage, which is 100 to 100 times 0.185 for the first takrif cents lah. The output that we will get is change the first usage block 70 equal to 17.5 ringgit. Electricity bill, so the electricity bills is RM 17.5 ringgit. Okay, let's move on for on the another example that use several takrif. Let's say that our current reading is 1000, our previous reading is 100. That will mean our energy usage is 900 units. The program will first the check the takrif on the first block. This the takrif on the first block is 1 till equal to 100. Our usage clearly passed this limit. It will then check for the second takrif. The second takrif is 100 till or equal to 200, which again still pass beyond the limit. It then will be checked till the fifth takrif this, which has the limit 501 till equal to 1000. This is within the limit for our energy usage. The program will then run for the fifth takrif cost. First, the energy units would be subtracted by 500, and then the remaining units will then be multiplied to 0.5 cent per units. Because it passed for takrifs, the previous cost would be added up to the multiplication of the first takrif. The cost of the previous takrif are following: 17.5 ringgit, 18.5 ringgit, 33 ringgit, 44.550 ringgit, and 225 ringgit. And then the program will output the energy usage of the month. Then uh, moving to moving on to the last case, which is case 3. This line code is will end the program removing it from the loops. So that's all from me. I hope you understand my presentation for mini project, which involves several cases of if else cases. Thank you and goodbye.